Good morning, children. Welcome back to learning. Today we are starting module 8. In this module, you are going to learn about word dictation, in vocabulary, words related to school. In grammar part, we will be learning tenses. In last I write part, you will be learning stretch sentences. Word dictation, I'll be giving it later, okay? In vocabulary, let us learn about some words which are related to school. We go to school almost every day. There are many things that we take with us to school, and we also see many things at school, isn't it? We take many things to school as well as we see many things at school. And we meet different people too, isn't it? You meet your friends, you meet your teachers, isn't it? Let us read some words that are related to school. B-O-A-R-D, board. You can see the board there, green color board. Sometimes boards will be in black color, white color and green color. Okay. B-O-A-R-D, board. D-U-S-T-E-R, duster. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, cupboard. Cupboard is a place where you keep things. Okay. Table, T-A-B-L-E, table. Pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. B-A-G, bag. B-O-O-K, book. C-H-A-I-R, chair. R-U-L-E-R, ruler. D-E-S-K, desk. These all things you see at your school. Practice these words, okay? Let us move to grammar part. It's a very important part. Today you will be learning about tenses, okay? Simple present tense. What do you mean by simple present tense? Simple present means it tells about present, at the time, at now, what you are doing, okay? Rihanna and her parents get up early in the morning. Rihanna waters the plants in her garden. She also puts the pots in a line. Her father cuts the leaves from the trees. Rihanna and her parents love their garden. See, Rihanna and her parents get up early in the morning. Okay, they are telling in a day from whence we get up what they do. Okay, Rihanna waters the plant in her garden. She also puts the pots in a line. Her father cuts the leaves and the trees. Rihanna and her parents love their garden. Read the words in the bold in the given paragraph. All these words are doing words or action words. Remember, children, try to recollect. We just completed doing words and action words in our last class, isn't it? Read the words in bold. Get up, waters, puts, cuts and love. All these are doing words or action words. They are talking about action that we do every day or very regular. Okay. When the doing words in a sentence tells us about actions that we do regular or daily, the sentence is in simple present tense. When we use doing words in a sentence, doing words or action words in a sentence, that means that sentence is in simple present tense. It shows present. Okay, that sentence tells we are doing those actions regularly or daily. That is why that sentence is in simple present tense. We'll see some more example. Tim plays football every day. Here that action is recurring or regularly he is playing football. Plays is a action word. Tim plays football. Next, fish live in water. Live is a action word because fishes live in water. Okay, they go to church every day. They go to church. Which is the action word here? Go is the action word. They go to church every day. That means regularly they are going to church. Now, kids, remember, add yes or es to action words that comes after he, she, it or singular naming words. Remember, we also learnt about singular and plural naming words, isn't it? Let us see some example. He goes. Okay, you should add es when you are writing he, she, it in simple present tense. He goes to the park every day. He go to the park. He goes to the park every day. It's correct. Okay. You can add es and s after singular naming word, not plural. Okay. She lives in that house. It barks loudly. Rahul comes here in the morning. Okay. Next one. Do not add s or es to action words that come after I, we, you, they or plural naming words. Example, I go to the park every day. We live. See here, when you are using plural naming word, you should not use yes and es. Okay. For example, I go to the park every day. It will not be like I goes to the park. That is wrong. I go to the park every day. That is correct. You are not supposed to add yes or es in front after I, we, you, they. Okay. We live in that house. We lives Allah. Not correct. We live is correct. Okay. They come here in the morning. The dogs bark loudly or loud. Okay. You're not supposed to add yes and es when plural naming word is there. Understood? You can add yes or es when singular naming word comes. Let us see one example. Okay. Exercise 3.1. Look at the given picture. Fill in the blanks with action words in the simple present tense. Use the word boxes as hints. One is done for you. Okay. Little Zuzu watches TV with his parents every evening. His mother dash. See the options up here. Watch, eat, work, like, drink and make. Which word comes here? Work. Okay. There is a singular naming word, that is mother. So you can add yes here. Little Zuzu watches TV with his parents every evening. His mother works for a company and his father is a teacher. They watch or like cartoons. Both the options are there. Can you the word watch is also there and like is also there. Both the words you can use. See here. Here there is a plural naming words. That's why there is no yes or es in action word. Okay. They watch or like cartoons. Sometimes Zuzu's father makes popcorn to eat. Father, it's a singular naming word. That's why yes is there. Sometimes Zuzu's father makes popcorn to eat. They eat the popcorn together. Again, where they is there. It's a plural naming word. That's why only eat. No yes or es. Understood? They also drink fruit juice as they watch TV. Okay, children? Understood now? Let us continue in next video.